All right, so here we are. I was debating on this being pretty much done. I was going to do the roof in white, which I'm still going to do, and just going to do the bed in a black. But I had a wild hair, and I started wondering if I should add some black. And now I'm at that stage where I really like the way the product is turning out, and I'm afraid that I'm going to screw it up. But we're going to go for it. So I'm going to do the same process as we have typically been doing with the Q-tips and whatnot, except this time what I want to do is I'm literally going to cover the vast majority of the body in this, just all over. And then I'm going to spray it in red and let it sit. And then when I go to take it off, I should have only remnants of red. And that's kind of where we're after. I think I'm actually gonna mask this off because I don't want to get red on the roof. And that's really just a paint thing. When I go to do the white, even though the white technically will cover it, it will never be white, if that makes sense. And it's just, I think it'll be better if I just mask off the majority of this roof to do the red. So we're gonna hit this thing up with here with the cream, and then we're going to got stuff in the oven. Cool. Then we're going to do some more painting. So this is going to be a lot, and I got to do it in a variety of different areas. Actually, going to have a little bit more red on the doors. Okay, so that's all done. Now we're going to hit it with red. Okay, so we're ready. We're going to hit this with the red, and hopefully I did this right. And I don't have massive amounts of red. I don't think I will, but fingers crossed this turns out good. We're good to go. There's the red. We'll let that dry up for a little bit, and then we'll come back. Red. We're gonna wipe off the red and do it on camera and see what we got. And I might start crying. We'll see. But I think if everything else turned out the way it's been turning out, I'm gonna be happy, I think. But I was kind of hoping for more blue. I'm gonna have to really get down and wipe off some of the stuff that's on there, but let's see how this turns out. So actually pretty freaking cool like this. Although I think if I was going to do this again, I would add more cream to cover up the spaces. Once this is fully dry, I'll go back with a scrub pad and I'll scrub it a little bit more, which will break loose some of the stuff that the paper towel doesn't get. Because some of the stuff you see in here, it's really thin, and the paper towel, you have to really scrub it to get it off. But I don't want to do that until the paint dries more fully. So some more of the rust and the blue will be exposed. But all in all, let's see what we got so far. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I don't know what you can see here in the light. I'm going to go ahead and unmask this piece and decide if I want the top to stay blue or do it in white, which I think I'm still going to do in white, but we'll see. Now the blue is actually kind of cool with it. So we'll see what the owner thinks, and if they like it like this, we might rock that right there. So cool. Love to know what you're thinking so far. But I think that's going to be about it. We're going to put the logos on it right there first. And then maybe a little black edging in here. But otherwise, yeah, feeling pretty good about it. Thanks for following along.